What day is it?
Christmas Eve!
Evan, what day is it?
Oh. Mommy, what day is it?
It's Christmas Eve.
Yeah. Johnny, what day is it?
It's Christmas Eve, and I don't know where the time went. It's already 3 o'clock, and we haven't yet made our gingerbread village.
Yay!
So we're gonna do it right now. So, we got this from Target, and because Evan is a gluten-free dude, we've got some gluten-free pretzels, and we've got some gluten-free honey grams that we're going to make him his own little gingerbread thing that he can eat on his own, but we'll all contribute to making the whole village together.
Yay!
Look at this.
Washi-washi.
So this is the icing, and these are, oh look, and there's like little signs, and these are things that we could put on top.
Candy.
And candy things and red things. And it's gonna be awesome, so here we go! So we got this house made. And when you don't have a gluten-free option for a gingerbread house, we need to take a gingerbread house that's not gluten-free and then buy some gluten-free biscuits and make our own. So this is a gingerbread house that has gluten. Same with this, that's what came with the kit. And we're making this cute little one here for Evan.
Yay!
Because Evan cannot eat gluten. Right, Evan? How do you feel about that?
No.
Okay, there. Oh, it's a little... Uh-oh, it's caving in. I gotta fix it. Okay, so we put a supporting beam so that the roof doesn't cave in this time. Go. There it is. Yep, there it is. A little messy, but Evan, I think you'll love it anyway. Right, Evan?
Yeah.
Okay, now Evan gets to decorate this.
Okay,
Okay, you're gonna decorate this, okay? So take one and put it on here, okay? Come on, take one. No, not the big one. Take a small one. One. Take one and put it on here. Yeah. Yep. Good job! Take another one. Put it on. Good job, Evan. Okay, put it on top. Good job, Evan. Uh-oh. Take another one. Take another one and put it on top here. Good job, Evan. Good job, Evan.
Nice job, Evan.
Are you happy?
Yeah.
You love it? And then we get to put stuff here. Yay! Show the camera, okay? Turn the house around. Show the camera. Yay, there's your house.
No.